Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to freeze a debit card on HSBC UK. All right, so let's begin with the video. So, if you want to freeze through online banking application, as you can see, steps are shown here. So what you have to do is simple. Open the HSBC app and make sure to log in to your online banking application. Then from in there, make sure to click onto this debit cards onto your home page. Now, once you have done that, head over and you should be able to see in here all the debit cards that you have. So if you haven't activated yet, make sure to activate it. However, if you just want to lock it or freeze it, what we can do is onto the Manage Debit Card option. Make sure to turn on this toggle option right here. In that way, you should be able to temporarily block this card or freeze this card. Once it's been turned on, your debit card won't be used either online as well as in store. And if you have actually unlocked it or freeze it, you should be able to use it again since it is just temporary. Now, through your online banking, how can you freeze it? Simply log into your HSBC website and select the account the card belongs to, and then select Manage. Then choose Block or Unblock Card from the menu. After that, find the card you wish to block or unblock and select Block this card or Unblock this card. Lastly, confirm the card you wish to block or unblock. All card transactions are blocked until you choose to remove it. So that's basically how you can freeze a debit card on HSBC UK. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.